Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get notes on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Instagram, and basically you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see that my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open your smartphone settings. So let me open my smartphone settings, and here you need to go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram. So let me search and open Instagram. Here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear storage, clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application. So once you open Instagram application, you simply need to click on this messenger icon in the top right, and here you can see that your note feature is now available, and you can share your thoughts here and click on share. As you can see that, so this is a process by which you can get notes feature on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.